Welcome to our channel Learn Kashmiri with Arihant. In this video, we will learn the lesson number 8 of the book Spoken Kashmiri, a language course by Omkar and Koul. This book is published by the Indian Institute of Language Studies, and we are using this material only for the purpose of helping the user read the book in the Kashmiri language. Let's get started. Toy kati rozan? Where do you live? Buchus Rozan, Srinagar. I live in Srinagar. Toh kya kaam chu karan? What do you do? Buchus karobar karan. I am in business. Kamyuk karobar. Which business? Ösh Zunten hund karobar karan. We deal in apples. Asichu akh dukan Amira Kadl. We have a shop at Amira Kadal. Toh kya chu karan? What do you do? Buchus master. I am a teacher. Toh kar chu school gatsan? At what time do you go to school? Buchus nevi baje school gatsan. I go to school at 9 o'clock. Vapas kar chu yivan? At what time do you return? Chori baje. At 4 o'clock. Toh kya chu parnavan? What subjects do you teach? Buchus hisab te Angreez parnavan. I teach mathematics and English. Myon nichu chu dahime paran. My son studies in the 10th class. Suchu sak mehnat karan. He works very hard. Myon kur chhe uth me paran. My daughter studies in the 8th class. Swachh hai silai tehchan. She learns stitching too. Swachh hai setha jaan gyavan. She sings very well. Acha, is it? Bute osus gyavan. I also used to sing. Myon lokut ladka chu haki gindan. My younger son plays hockey. Suchu Nauvuhur. He is 9 years old. Buchus 5 se baje nindre vathan. I get up at 5 o'clock. Buchus athbut chalan. I wash my hands and feet. Buchus dohoy sir karan. I go for a walk daily. Buchus shei baje shan karan. I take a bath at 6 o'clock. Buchus 8 baje chai chawan. I have my tea at 8 o'clock. Buchus 9 baje daftar neran. I start for my office at 9 o'clock. Buchus 10 baje daftar watan. I reach my office at 10 o'clock. Buchus 6 baje gar yivan. I come home at 6 o'clock in the evening.